right, real quick and easy. I want to let you guys know of a fix I did last night. So when I'm driving this thing at certain speeds, this little piece right here, and there's one on the other side too, they bounce when it's basically when the air is flopping the hard soft top. These things flop, and when they smack down, they hit this hard piece and create like a rattling effect. So what I did is I took some of the felt tape roll that I bought to do the ditch lights with, and I cut them in half, and I basically put them in between this piece and on the back side of this hard piece right here, and line all the way down. So I did that on both sides, on that one as well. And now when I drive to work, when I drove to work this morning, I did this last night, drove to work this morning, no rattle. So don't know why Ford wouldn't put that in from the factory, you know, something to minimize that, because this is hard plastic, this is hard, so obviously when it hits, it's going to make a noise. But I don't know if you can see some of the felt right here. No, it's kind of blurry, so there you go. You see some of the felt right here. It's just felt tape, nothing fancy, nothing major. You can get them like less than $5 a roll off Amazon. Quick and easy fix. So yeah, definitely something Ford probably could improve on from the factory, but it's not the worst thing because it's so cheap and easily to do. Anybody could do it. So just thought I'd share with everybody. Please like and subscribe, and we got more content to come.